In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a table in Confluence. This might seem like a daunting task at first, especially if you're new to Confluence or haven't worked much with tables in this collaborative workspace. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through each step of the process with clarity and ease. So let's dive in and learn how to efficiently manage tables in Confluence by sorting data according to our needs. First things first, we need to get to our Confluence page. To do this, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Confluence website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in using Google. Click on that button and choose the Google account you'd like to use for signing in. This is a straightforward way to access your Confluence workspaces without needing to remember another set of login credentials. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Confluence. Here you'll see all the spaces where you're either a contributor or an administrator. Click on the space that you're currently working on or where the table you want to sort is located. Spaces in Confluence are great for organizing different projects or teams, so make sure you're in the right one. Now navigate to the specific page that contains the table you wish to sort. On the top right of the page, you will see 3 dots. This is the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those dots to see more options. One of the options that emerge is Edit. This is exactly what we need. By clicking on Edit, you're entering the editing mode of the page, allowing you to make changes to its content, including tables. With your page now in edit mode, locate the table you plan to sort. Confluence tables are versatile tools for organizing and presenting data, but over time they might need reordering to better reflect the current status or priorities. To start sorting, click on the column by which you want to sort your table. Maybe it's a column with dates, names, or statuses, whatever makes the most sense for your needs. Once you've selected the column, hover your cursor over the top, where you'll notice 6 dots appearing. These dots are the handle you can use to interact with the column. Clicking on the 6-dot handle brings up a context menu with several options. Look for sort increasing or sort decreasing. These are your tools for sorting the data in ascending or descending order. Choose the one that fits your criteria, and Confluence will automatically reorder the rows based on the values in your selected column. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sorted a table in Confluence. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your tables looking organized and making sure important data stands out. Whether you're managing a project timeline, organizing a list of tasks, or keeping track of inventory, sorting tables can help you and your team stay on top of things. Remember, Confluence is a powerful tool for team collaboration, and mastering these small tricks can significantly enhance your workflow. Feel free to play around with different sorting options until you find the one that best organizes your data. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful and that you feel more comfortable managing tables in Confluence. Happy sorting and see you in the next video.